A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun.
We finally get a break from the rain. It's been raining, so there's no more drought in California. We even got snow. When I say we, I mean me and Hummingbird right here. And as you can see, he's just having a time of his life. The sun is out for a little bit, and the skies are blue. So today I'm going to show you a sneak peek to my succulent garden, just a little piece of the succulent garden, and show you what the damage that the hail, the rain, all that water has done to my plants. Some of them love, some of them hate, and will just come with me. What's going on? This is the aftermath. I still have potatoes over there. But look at my red ives. Look at this red ives. It was pitted because the rains were just like slamming up against it. Look at this, all pitted from the rain. There could have been a weed. Oh, how pretty, my blue chalk. It's just a lot of weeds. My avocado tree. But look how big this is. Oh my God. Look at that. Huge. Pitted one too. It's huge though. Look at this. What's it doing? It's just flowers. Ooh. And that kind of got chewed up. And see that? Chewed up. So this is a lot of work. A lot of work. What happened here? It just got too cold. Yeah, it happens, you know. She'll bounce back. She'll probably have babies after that. These guys, from the frost. Fred Ives, more Fred Ives. You know, like these kind of things. But see the Ionium right there? It's huge now. The Ioniums just love the cold. Right? Yeah. I mean, you know, Korean. It's huge now. It's got a lot of babies. And the lithops, for some reason, just loves it. Loves the cold. Yeah, so, and all these ones that, stand up. Look at this. Aloe over there. It's just too much water. What can I do? What can I do? Spider plant or cattail? Cattail. Did we get so much rain or what? That's like 5 inches of rain. And it just spilled over already. The jelly beans are awesome. This is too much. This is going to get trimmed. Let's see what's happening with. She's doing fine. Just a lot of weed. I gotta get to work. But now I have a job. Now what? Get away from me, fly. Look, this is a job. This is a huge job. I can hire someone, but I'm scared that they might pull a plant. You know? I don't know why I don't trust anybody to touch my garden. Anywho, there's the Ionium. That's huge. Look at these pretty yellow flowers. You guys need to order this from me because I'm about to trim all this, and this is pretty prolific. Look at this. Look at this. See this? I just pulled this out. If you stick this in the dirt, it'll just like be this after, I don't know, how old is this? I say a year, maybe 2, but after a year, it's just like huge. So if you have a big section in your garden, about that big, and you just want flowers, yellow flowers in the spring, oh my gosh, filler over there, roots. It just wants to live. It's an everlasting succulent. They never die, never. Okay, I never seen my plants ever do this. I don't think I've ever seen these purple flowers on the chalk sticks. These purple ones. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen it. And then, I know that I have a big task ahead of me, but Rome wasn't built in a day, so we'll just have to appreciate the good, the bad, and the ugly, and try to make sense of the beauty that we can make out of it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that it made you feel some kind of happiness, a little bit of joy, and I hope you come back next time. In the meantime, have a great day and appreciate the beauty that God has given us all around us, no matter what it is. For now, XOXO. Have a nice day. Bye.